Hello, I'm Mike, and today we're going to talk about fixing your WordPress site that's stuck in maintenance mode. The WordPress maintenance mode page is something that is automatically shown to visitors temporarily when you make updates on your site, such as updating plugins, themes, or the WordPress core. This is to keep from anything appearing broken or out of sync while files are being patched. However, sometimes your WordPress site might get stuck in maintenance mode and your whole site is down until you manually fix it. Today, we'll explore some ways to resolve this issue. But before we get too far, I want to let you know that there'll be links to more resources in the video's description below. And remember to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content. All right, let's get started. A common issue that WordPress users run into is that their site might get stuck in maintenance mode. This can be very frightening as this also can affect the administrator and backend. Suddenly, you can't log into your WordPress site and your WordPress is essentially down, except for the brief message that visitors see. Getting stuck in maintenance mode commonly happens when there is a conflict, in which case the .maintenance file might think there are still pending operations and/or updates needing to finish. This results in the file remaining and never removing itself. One of the most common causes of the site getting stuck in maintenance mode is when the update screen is refreshed or left during an update. The easiest way to avoid this is to resist the temptation to do anything while the update is taking place. Make sure you wait until all the updates are complete before refreshing or navigating away from the screen, and scroll down to check that the plugins further down the screen have been updated. What causes the conflict? In our experience, we have seen this happen if the user manually clicks Update Now on a number of different plugins at a very rapid pace. WordPress by default staggers updates in order, but if there's even a millisecond of a delay in the connection, this could result in a sudden conflict, triggering the stuck maintenance mode. To ensure this doesn't happen, you can easily click on the filter Update Available, and then select Update from the Bulk Actions dropdown. Then click Apply. This will then fire off the updates in order, and you are less likely to receive a conflict. Another recommendation to prevent this from happening is to update your plugins as they are patched. Don't wait 6 months and then try to update them all at once. If you have 30 or more plugins needing multiple updates, it is probably better to update them one by one and test as you go to ensure nothing breaks on your site. This is one of the reasons why Kinsta has free staging environments so that you can test everything on a clone of your live site beforehand and minimize the risk of breaking your production site. If you don't have time to regularly update your plugins, or you think you'll forget, you can use a plugin to automatically update them or adjust your WordPress settings to do this. Thankfully, if your WordPress site is currently stuck in maintenance mode, it is very easy to get back out and return your site to normal. You simply need to delete the .maintenance file that was created. Step 1. Log into your site via FTP. Step 2. Navigate to the root of your WordPress site and/or public HTML folder. This is the same folder that normally contains your WP config file. You can then delete the .maintenance file. After it's been deleted, you can refresh your website in your browser and your site should be back to normal. It is also recommended that you clear the cache on your WordPress site. If you are a Kinsta customer, you can clear the cache right from within the My Kinsta dashboard or the admin toolbar of your WordPress dashboard if you have access. You can always reach out to your hosting provider for support if you have trouble following these steps. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%, and you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.